Meron tayong 5 problem set about exponents. Post nyo muna tong video tapos try nyo muna siyang sagutan. Okay na ba? Nasagutan nyo na ba? Okay, proceed tayo sa number 1. If 10 raised to x is equals to 4, find the value of 10 raised to 2x plus 1. So, aim natin, mapalabas natin tong 10 raised to x. So, para mapalabas natin yon, ang gagawin natin ganito. Di ba yung 10 raised to 2x plus 1 equals din yan saan? Sa 10 raised to 2x times 10. Di ba? Tapos, itong 10 raised to 2x, paghiwalay natin. 10 raised to x, tapos parenthesis into 2 times 10. Di ba? Same lang naman yun, di ba? Some properties. So, ano ba yung 10 raised to x natin? Ayan o, 4. So, papalitan natin. Magiging 4. Di ba? Then, squared times 10. 4 squared times 10 is equals to 160. So, ganun lang siya. Number 2 naman tayo. Evaluate y is equals to 4 times 5 raised to 2n plus 1 minus 10 times 5 raised to 2n minus 1 over 2 times 5 raised to 2n. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, expand muna natin tong y. Diba? Itong 5 raised to 2n plus 1. Expand muna natin to. So, magiging 5 raised to 2n times 5. Tama, di ba? Minus 10, 5 raised to 2n over 5. Di ba? Kasi 5 raised to negative 1 is equals to 1 over 5. Di ba? All over 2 by 2 times 5 raised to 2n. Y is equals to, ito, pwede nating i-cancel. Cancel is equals to 2. Tama, di ba? Tapos, itong 5 raised to 2n, pwede nating ilabas. Di ba? Tapos, ito na lang matitira. Itong mga na to. Ito na lang matitira. So, ganito magiging diskarte natin. Paglabas natin ng 5 raised to 2n, ayan o, 5 raised to 2n, ang matitira na lang sa loob ay 4 times 5 minus 2 all over by 2 raised to 5 raised to 2n. Ganyan. So, mangyayari, maka-cancel out na to. Diba? Cancel out na siya. Then, ito, multiply. 4 times 5 is 4 times 5 is 20 minus 2 over 2. 20 minus 2 over 2 is ilan? 9. So, final answer is 9. Okay, number 3. Solve for x. X is equals to 4 raised to n plus 2 minus 24 times 4 raised to n minus 1 over 10 times 4n plus 1. So, gagawin natin ganito. X is equals to 4 raised to n multiply by minus 24 times 4 raised to n over 4 all over by 10 times 4 raised to n times 4. So, ano yung mga cancel dyan? Ito wala na. Ito din, cancel na din. So, matitira na lang natin ay 4 squared over 24 over 4. And 24 over 4 is ilan? 6. 4 squared is, ito, 16. Minus 6 all over by 10 times 4 is 40. And 16 minus 6 is 10 over 40. So, simplify natin is 1 over 4. So, ang sagot ay 1/4. Number 4, solve for x. If 8 raised to x is equals to 2 raised to y plus 2 and 16 raised to 3x minus y is equals to 4 raised to y. So, paano natin hahanapin yan? Una, kailangan sihin muna lahat sila ng base. So, simulan natin dito sa 8 raised to x. 8 raised to x is equals to 2 raised to y plus 2. Ganyan. So, gagawin natin parehas base nila ay 2. So, 2 raised to 3x is equals to 2 raised to y plus 2. Diba? So, ang equation natin dyan na exponent ay yung 3x is equals to y plus 2. Okay? Sige, iwanan muna natin yan. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. 16 raised to 3x minus y is equals to 4y. So, ganun din ulit gagawin natin. Gagawin natin magkamukha yung base. So, para maging magkamukha yung base, itong 16, gagawin nating base niya ay 4 din. So, magiging 4 raised to ilan? 2 times 3x minus y is equals to 4 raised to y. Ba? So, mag-focus na lang tayo dito sa taas. So, magiging 2 times 3x minus y is equals to y. So, ang parang dito na lang tayo nag-focus. Okay? So, next is 6x minus 2y is equals to y. Tama? So, 6x is equals to 3y. So, simplify pa natin. 2x is equals to y. Kasi, dinivide natin both sides by 1/2. So, magiging 2x is equals to y na lang siya. So, ibig sabihin, itong 2x is equals, ay yung y, itong y, equal siya sa 2x. So, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute natin to dito, sa y dito. So, magiging 3x is equals to, ano yung y? 2x plus 2. So, magiging 3x minus 2x is equals to 2. And x is equals to 2. So, yun ang final answer. 2. Number 5. If 8 raised to x is equals to 3, find the value of 2 raised to 6x. So, ang mangyayari natin dyan, di ba, yung 8 raised to x is equals to 3. So, hanapin natin yung connection. So, para magkaroon ng connection, itong 8 na base na to, gagawin din natin 2 para magkaroon sila ng connection. So, para maging, ano yan, lilipat natin 8 sa base na 2. So, magiging 2 raised to 3x is equals to 3. Kailangan natin 6x. So, ang gagawin natin, lahat ng yan, ay i-exponent natin into 2. Exponent yan ha. So, magiging 2 raised to 3x squared is equals to 3 squared. Diba? So, magiging ilan? Ito na lang tayo. So, magiging 2 raised to 6x is equals to 9. So, ang value ng 2 raised to 6x is 9.